Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? Well, that growling sound is actually called borborygmi. But what causes borborygmi and why does it happen? Let's explore the role of the migrating motor complex, MMC. The movement of gas and fluid in your intestines can also contribute to stomach growling. Additionally, the contraction of muscles in the stomach and small intestine plays a role. There are several factors that can affect stomach growling. These include gas, the movement of stool through the digestive system, and individual differences. To summarize, stomach growling is a normal physiological response. It occurs due to borborygmi, the movement of gas and fluid, and muscle contractions. Remember, factors like gas, stool movement, and individual differences can also contribute.